Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Sheeler. We are doing lesson 24, session 4, and we're going to do session 5. So session 4, the pages are 479 to 482. We're solving addition and subtraction word problems to 10. Okay, so you're going to need connecting cubes and something to write with. So go ahead and pause and get your page ready and all your materials ready. All right, so first on your whiteboard on a piece of paper, I want you to do this problem. 4 squirrels are eating nuts. 5 squirrels join them. How many squirrels are now eating nuts? 4 squirrels are eating nuts. 5 squirrels join them. How many squirrels are now eating nuts? So we're joining, so we are putting together, so we're doing addition. So go ahead and figure that out. You can go ahead and pause. Great, so maybe you knew we were adding 4 here and 5 here. So it's an addition. So 4 plus 5 equals how many? 9. So maybe you drew the 4 nuts and 5 nuts and then your number sentence. Okay. Yours might look a little different. All right, so you're going to need connecting cubes. I'm going to give you a problem and you're going to solve it using your connecting cubes. And then you're going to try to figure out, is it a subtraction problem or is it an addition problem? So are we taking away or are we adding together? Okay, Dean had 6 blocks. He gave 3 blocks to Ryan. How many blocks does Dean have now? So Dean has 6 blocks. He gave 3 blocks to Ryan. How many blocks does Dean have now? So go ahead and pause and do that problem, and then you can write your answer up here, the number sentence. Okay, so Dean had 6 blocks. So he had 6 blocks. He gave 3 blocks to Ryan. So I'm going to cross out 3. How many blocks does he have left? 3. So 6. So we know this is a subtraction because there's a minus. Minus 3 equals how many altogether? 3. Good. So now, if Dean started with 7 blocks, how many would he have after he gave 3 blocks to out? Did you say he would have 1 more? So he would have 4. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Great job. All right, and I have another problem here. Rianne has 9 pencils in her pencil case. She takes 2 pencils out. How many pencils are still in her pencil case? So use your blocks again. She has 9 and she takes away 2. How many does she have left? So remember, we're doing subtraction. So she has 9. She takes away 2. How many does she have left? You can go ahead and pause and figure out that problem. 9 minus 2 equals how many? Did you find out that it is 7? Great job. Okay, so you're going to continue over here. We're going to do some more number problems, but this time you're going to draw a picture to match the problem. So Miranda has 10 books. She lays 5 books to her friend. How many books does she have left? So she has 10, so you're going to make 10 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So she had 10 and she had 10 and she gave 5 books to her friend. How many does she have left? So we're going to cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how many she has left. She has, so we are taking away, we have the takeaway. We're taking away 5 and she has 5 left. Great job. All right. Okay, here is another one. There were 8 flowers in the garden. I picked 4 flowers. How many flowers are left? So 8 flowers. We're going to draw 1, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so I'm going to put the 8 right here. And we picked 4, so I'm going to cross out 4. How many are left? There are, how many left? 4 left. Great job. I want you to think about, how do you use drawing to solve a subtraction problem? So go ahead and pause and you can come up with your own subtraction problem using pictures and writing the number sentence. Okay, then you're going to do the next 2 pages on your own, drawing the picture and writing the number sentence to match. When you are done, resume this and we will do session number 5. All right, we're going to move on to session 5, pages 483 to 484. All right, we're going to start off on your whiteboard. Rita has collected 10 shells. She puts 5 in one pile and the rest in a bucket. How many shells are in the bucket? Ooh, Rita has collected 10 shells. She puts 5 in a pile and then the rest in the bucket. How many shells are in the bucket? So go ahead and figure that out. You can pause. Great job. Did you draw 5 in a pile? And then how many did she put in the bucket? She put the rest, which is 5. All right, here you need some counters and connecting cubes. So you're going to look right here and using your counters and connecting cubes like we did before, you're going to tell an addition or a subtraction. So you're going to look, is it a plus sign for addition or a subtraction sign for subtraction? And then you are going to go on to this page where you're going to draw either a subtraction problem or an addition, and you're going to tell the story problem. So tell someone a subtraction and problem and have them and draw it, have them or draw it to help solve it. Have fun doing subtraction and addition problems.